Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the 1.1.1.1 DNS server on your Windows 11 PC using Cloudflare's free DNS service. This can help improve your browsing speed, enhance privacy, and, in some cases, even make your internet feel more responsive. I'll walk you through two different methods, and you can use whichever one is easier for you. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps, and if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tutorials. First, let's quickly look at the DNS addresses we're going to use. For Cloudflare DNS, the preferred DNS server address is 1.1.1.1, and the alternate DNS server address is 1.0.0.1. These are completely free to use. Now let's start with the first method, using Control Panel. Click on the search button in your taskbar and type Control Panel. Once you see the Control Panel app in the results, click to open it. Make sure the View By option in the top right is set to Category. Then click on Network and Internet. After that, click on Network and Sharing Center. Here, you'll see your active network connection. It might say Wi-Fi, or it might say Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on how you're connected. Whatever connection you see listed next to Connections, click on that link. This will open the status window for your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. In the status window, click on Properties. A new window will open showing the items your connection uses. Scroll down if needed and find Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4. Click on it once to select it and then click on Properties. In the next window, under the General tab, select the option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. Now in the Preferred DNS server field, type 1.1.1.1. Then in the Alternate DNS server field, type 1.0.0.1. Double check that you've entered the numbers correctly. Once you're done, click OK. Then click Close and close again to exit all the windows. That's it. You've successfully set the 1.1.1.1 DNS server on your Windows 11 PC using the first method. Now let me show you the second method, using the Settings app. Click on the search button again and type Settings, then open the Settings app. On the left side, click on Network and Internet. Here you'll see options like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click on Wi-Fi if you're connected wirelessly or Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on what you're using. Then click on your current network connection. After that, scroll down and click on Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. A small window will pop up. Change the setting from Automatic to Manual. Turn on the IPv4 toggle. Now in the Preferred DNS field, enter 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS field, enter 1.0.0.1. Make sure everything is typed correctly and then click Save. Once saved, your DNS settings will update immediately. You can scroll down and confirm that 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 are now showing as your DNS servers. And that's it. Those are the two easy ways to set up the 1.1.1.1 DNS server on Windows 11 using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you ever want to revert back to default settings, you can simply set the DNS option back to automatic. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows 11 guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.